How to set up HubSpot live chat on WordPress. To set up HubSpot chat on your WordPress site, follow this detailed step which I'm going to show you. First of all, you have to sign in into your HubSpot account, and you can also use a free account just like me here. Now log in into your WordPress dashboard. Now once you're here in WordPress, you have to navigate to the plugin section. So as you can see here, this is plugin. Now just go and click on here, and from here you have to click on add new. Search for HubSpot. Now in the search bar here you have to search for HubSpot and search for it. Now here you will get this from HubSpot. Make sure it is by HubSpot. Click on it, and once you click on it, click on upgrade and activate. So if you have a paid plan of WordPress, you won't be able to see this option of upgrade. Just go and click on activate here. Now install the once you go and click on upgrade, automatically it will get installed in your account as you can see here. So I'll just go and click on upgrade and activate plugin. Now here it's asking me to purchase the WordPress here, but in your case you can easily do it once you have the plan. Now after activating the plugin, a new option from HubSpot will appear in your WordPress site. Click on it and log in into your account and to grant necessary permission. Now how you can set up your live chat. So log in into your HubSpot account, just go back to here. Now navigate to the conversation, and inside conversation go to the inbox. It is here. Just go to your CRM and then just go to your inbox and it will be available here. Customize. Now choose the live chat option here. It will automatically show up, right? And in the chat section, for example, this is chat section. I'll just go and click on here. Now you can set it up. So for example, I will set up like this here. Now click on next, and you can set up in your way. You can see how this looks over your phone and on other devices, right? And once you do this, just go and click on view message in inbox, right? Now here, save and publish your chat flow once you are satisfied with the setup. Now return to your WordPress dashboard, go to your HubSpot settings in the sidebar, automatically it will show up here, right? Ensure that the live chat feature is enabled. This will activate the chat widget you created on your WordPress site. Now, after that, you can test it out, and this is how you can set up your HubSpot live chat on WordPress. Thanks for watching.